Hello everyone, welcome to our factory. Here is our raw material warehouse. This is carbon steel. We have many kinds of carbon steel. 1022. Stainless steel we have 316 and 305. We also have kinds of copper, oleum, brass material like this. This is our painting production line. We have more than 8 machines. Let's check what the head this machine makes. This head has a washer. This is a washer. Head with washer and Philippine slots. This is a plating rolling production line. We have 85 threading machines. Good. Quality is the life of our factory. This is our optical selection machine. It can inspect all the different kinds of measures. Meanwhile, our experienced quality control team, they will do the actual inspection of the appearance of the screw. They are quite professional and responsibility for each screw.
Good.
After all the inspection finishes, our workers will packing the goods as customer requirements. We are the manufacturer with over 30 years experience in fasteners, CNC machinery parts, stamping parts, and kind of liner parts. See you next time. Bye bye.